You are watching the Paul Korn Bow Hunting Channel.
We came in here yesterday, we slipped up this blind, and it seems like if they don't like it the first day, for sure the second day they're okay, but if you brush them in really good, they seem to really not affect the bear at all. Moaning. It's not a real big bear. I mean, as I said, if you want him, shoot him. I don't know, you know. He wasn't real big.
Paul's here with me, my good friend from A1 Archery. We waited. It's 7:30 right now, and it took this bear probably 5-10 minutes to come in. And Paul says if you want him, take him, and he looked good enough to me. I see my red sticking through the trees over there, and we've already heard the bear moan. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.
I'm hunting with Bear Trak Outfitters, and you want a good time and see bears, you come to Bear Traks, and they will treat you right here. Thank you.
I just got done finishing a Sudoku puzzle.
Yes.
And I set the book down, and I'm like, oh, there's a bear. He's like, what? I go like, it's like right there. The bear's right there. You have to leave. He only got one more day to hunt, so his hunt's kind of short here, and he only had 4 total days, and it's been really windy the last 2. The wind died down a little bit today, but what we're really hoping is we have his daughter-in-law and his son, Tanner and Trish, are here, and they're on some really good baits. We're hoping that they're going to be as fortunate as what we are. How's that look? Walk towards me. Is it one of them nasty ones?
It's one of those nasty ones. All right, yeah. Yep. Okay. He died quick.
He sure did.
That's what we wanted. And Paul is a great guide. I sat with him last year, and we didn't have to sit very long. And I asked Paul, I said, I need my good luck charm with me. So he come out with me, and this is what we got.
Good job, bud.